Alright, I only look good from the top up, ignore my pants. Hi everybody, it's Maria, and we all know what time of year it is. It is back to school. So I'm going to show you how to make some really cute, personalized school supplies. I decorated a few things, starting, oh, hang on, my cat wants out of the room. I decorated a few things, starting with some notebooks, some pens, glue, and some scissors. You can honestly decorate anything you want. All you're gonna need is school supplies and some washi tape. I found this one on Amazon. It was about $11, and when I looked for washi tape in stores, they were like $3 per roll. So I thought this was a really good deal, and I still have a ton left over. The benefit of personalizing your stuff is that you won't lose it as easily. If somebody has the same thing as you, it won't be the same anymore because yours will be all decorated and theirs won't. And it will also get your creativity rolling because you can decorate them literally any way you want. You can do any pattern, any colors. It's just a lot of fun. So with that all said, let's get started on decorating your school supplies. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple, but very pretty. I'm definitely going to be doing this to more things around my office. I am super excited to start using this notebook. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for yet because I am not in school anymore, but I will probably use it for work to take some notes. So these projects aren't just for school. You can decorate anything you want at any point in your life. For the next few weeks, I will also be posting a few more back to school videos, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!